Okay, I'm off on the first of a series of rides. You could call them monumental rides. They're not going to be that big, but we're going to go seek out all the monuments that are on the side of the bike trail. They take quite a few rides because they're dispersed all over Orange County, where I typically ride. But we'll start today, pick up a couple. The missing Army Corps of Engineers monument showing the improvements to the Santa Ana River to prevent flooding. On the Santa Ana River Trail, just past mile 4 and before mile 5, so about 7 to 8 kilometers from the beach, there's a park with the monument celebrating the lunar landing in July 1969 at Moon Park. An artist's rendition of the lunar surface with craters. July 20, 1969. One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. Now, the missing plaque was to commemorate the Army Corps of Engineers encasing the channel that was the Santa Ana River. There was a monument here regarding the widening of the Santa Ana River and encasing it, as you can see here. Our next monument is alongside Riverview Golf Course, and it's a plaque to commemorate someone who liked to hike. We'll see if that one's still here. So in 1966, they dedicated this plaque to Forrest S. Paull Memorial Trail for his devotion to riding and hiking trends. I guess you could say this is a monument. These bicycle riders, they were painted for the Olympic Games held in Los Angeles, and what's left of them is here on this overpass for Orangewood Avenue. Unfortunately, another monument has been taken by the vandals. I think that's what you call river biking in the Santa Ana River channel.